Prime Minister Andrew Holness is stressing the benefits to come with key areas for development in St. Thomas. Mr. Holness toured the Goodyear factory in the parish yesterday. Codian Barrett has the details.
It's been a long time coming, but the renovation of the Goodyear factory has begun. While noting the benefits, Prime Minister Andrew Holness cautioned it will take some time.
In the development of the project, we didn't just sit together as FCJ and the government and say, this is how it will be done. All the partners who will purchase property here and use here, they were consulted in the design. And we have made several changes to the design to accommodate.
The $6 billion construction is expected to provide 3,000 jobs after its completion. And there are more development projects in the pipeline.
This is one of 4 rural township developments that are on the books. Falmouth is being planned as we speak, and that is a 50-acre plot of land that we have, which is in proximity to the town of Falmouth, which we will be doing something similar. We are looking at Boundbrook, which is far advanced. The plans for that are complete. The financing is about to be complete, and we could start that within the 60th year of our independence.
And while the country faces a health crisis, Mr. Holness stressed the economy of St. Thomas must keep turning.
We are not losing faith and hope in the future. The plans that we have now, we are going to push ahead with them, because the moment we stop, that is when we are likely to fall into a recession. So our investment plans, our development plans, we're going to continue with them, we're going to push them, we're going to keep driving employment, we're going to keep driving the growth.
Codian Barrett, TVJ News.